Hi friends, you are getting a very special DIY cards off that is fully handcrafted by my Raven this Christmas. So in this set you will get a cards off for reindeer and a sleigh, and you're going to build it in your way, and you'll be getting a base where you can stick or put your deer and sleigh, right? And you can place it in your Christmas corner or your cubicle or wherever you want to put them to beautify any parts of your homes or your study table. And of course it comes with a paintbrush set here, colored pipe cleaners, right? 2 fur balls, different kind and type of papers and stickers that you can use. So what are you going to do with it? You are going to decorate and paint your deer or your sleigh using the color available here, and you can actually fill up the sleigh with a fake mini Christmas gift. It can be fur balls, and this paper is for you to write any unused items at home that you can think of. Be creative about it, right? There's no right or wrong. So you're going to build your Santa, deer, and the sleigh this Christmas. And we're also giving you very small bottles of glitters where you can use to mix it into your paint, so your deer or your sleigh is going to be sparkle this season, right? Feel free to use all of them, and of course dig out your Christmas craft box or any Christmas decorative that will beautify your Santa and deer as well as the sleigh this season. If you have a wooden Santa Claus, mini ones, or figurines, feel free to place them here, right? It's all about your creativity. How are you going to build them? So yeah, have fun. Merry Christmas.